Yes. And then her hair. La, 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 la. And then her Mom, si Ellie nadyaan pala. Mom, si Ellie nadyaan na. Mom, bakit ang bilis na Ellie magdating?
Ako.
Hindi ko nakita siya nagdating eh.
Hindi mo siya nakita ang dumating?
Yes. I'm just playing with Ella here on my house and then kumating na si Ellie. I'm shocked.
You're shocked?
Yes. I love Ellie so much, but Leo is so annoying.
Okay.
Leo is so annoying.
Baby, you love Leo, diba?
But I love Ashan. But Leo is a big boy now.
Yeah, but you love him also because he's also your cousin.
But my cousin is my brother Quenigo.
Leo's also your cousin.
But that's not my cousin. My brother is Quenigo. But my kuya is called me Ate Amara. And I call Quenigo Kuya Anigo. I'm also big now.